Have you ever stopped to wonder about the importance of your kidneys in your body? Those two fist-sized organs, often overshadowed by the heart and brain, yet indispensable in their own right. Nestled in the lower back, one on each side of your spine, they're the unsung heroes of your body's inner workings. Our kidneys are like a super-efficient waste disposal system, working around the clock to clean our blood. They sift through about 120 to 150 quarts of blood daily, filtering out waste and extra water. This creates around 1 to 2 quarts of urine, which is then sent down to the bladder. But that's not all. These remarkable organs also play a vital role in regulating our blood pressure, maintaining the balance of electrolytes, and producing hormones that help make red blood cells, regulate calcium, and control blood pressure. Imagine a high-tech, multifunctional machine that's running non-stop, and you've got a pretty good idea of what your kidneys are doing for you right now. Often, we only come to appreciate the complexity and essentialness of our kidneys when something goes wrong. Kidney diseases, for instance, can disrupt these functions and lead to serious health problems, but that's a story for another scene. For now, let's marvel at the fact that our bodies, with all their intricacies and complexities, are kept running smoothly by these two little organs. They're not just waste disposal units, they're finely tuned, multitasking marvels that keep our bodies balanced and healthy. As we continue this journey, we'll explore in more detail how these organs work, what happens when they don't, and what we can do to keep them in top shape. It's a fascinating journey, one that will leave you with a newfound respect for these often overlooked organs. So, brace yourself as we delve into the fascinating world of our kidneys. Our kidneys, these small bean-shaped organs, are actually multitasking powerhouses. Let's delve into their first major role, filtering waste products from the blood. Picture your blood as a busy highway, with cells and nutrients zipping along. As the blood rushes through our bodies, it picks up waste products from the metabolic activities of our cells. These waste products, if allowed to accumulate, could cause significant harm to our bodies. But that's where our kidneys step in, acting like vigilant traffic police. They filter out the waste products, which are then expelled from our bodies in the form of urine. Now, imagine if our kidneys didn't perform this crucial task. The waste products would build up in our blood, leading to dangerous levels of toxins and eventually causing illness or even death. It's a bit like having a highway with no traffic police or road cleaners, leading to chaos and accidents. Next, let's talk about the kidney's role in regulating electrolyte balance. Electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and calcium, are essential for various bodily functions, including nerve and muscle function, maintaining acid-base balance, and keeping us hydrated. Our kidneys meticulously manage these electrolytes, ensuring they are in just the right concentration. If there's too much or too little of an electrolyte, the kidneys swing into action, tweaking the levels until they are just right. Think of it as a meticulous chef who adjusts seasoning until the dish tastes perfect. Lastly, our kidneys also play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. They do this by controlling the amount of fluid in our bodies and by releasing hormones that control blood vessel constriction. It's akin to a skilled conductor, orchestrating a symphony to maintain the perfect balance. So, kidneys are not just simple filtration units but vigilant regulators of our body's internal environment. But wait, the kidney's job description extends far beyond mere filtration and regulation. Indeed, these mighty organs have a few more tricks up their sleeves, such as maintaining bone health and even playing a crucial role in the production of red blood cells. Let's first delve into the kidney's role in bone health. You may be wondering, bone health? I thought that was the job of calcium and vitamin D. Well, you're not wrong, but here's the catch. The kidneys are the ones that activate vitamin D. Yes, that's right. The vitamin D that we obtain from sunlight and our diet is actually in an inactive form, and it falls upon the kidneys to convert this into its active form, which is essential for the absorption of calcium in our bodies. Without the kidneys' work in this aspect, we would have a hard time maintaining strong and healthy bones. Now let's switch gears and talk about the kidneys' role in the production of a hormone called erythropoietin. If you're unfamiliar with this term, you're not alone. Erythropoietin, or EPO for short, is a hormone that stimulates the production of red blood cells. It's a bit like a coach, rallying the team and encouraging them to perform at their best. When the kidneys detect low levels of oxygen in the blood, they spring into action and produce EPO. This hormone then travels to the bone marrow, spurring it to produce more red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout the body. So as you can see, the kidneys do much more than simply filter our blood. They are key players in maintaining bone health, and they also have a significant role in ensuring our bodies have enough red blood cells to function properly. They're not just filters, they're versatile multitaskers, keeping us healthy in more ways than one might initially realize. From bone health to blood cell production, kidneys truly are jack of all trades. So, the next time you think about your kidneys, remember to give them a little extra appreciation for all the hard work they do behind the scenes. Now, you might be wondering, how do kidneys accomplish all these tasks? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of our body's sophisticated filtration system to find out. The kidneys, each about the size of your fist, are packed with approximately 1 million tiny units called nephrons. These nephrons are the workhorses of the kidneys, responsible for the heavy lifting when it comes to filtering and purifying the blood. Imagine the nephron as a complex microscopic factory. It's composed of a glomerulus, a tiny ball of capillaries, and a tubule, a winding tube where the magic happens. Blood enters the nephron through the glomerulus under high pressure, causing water, salts, glucose, and waste products to leak out into the tubule. This is the first step in the filtration process. As this fluid travels down the tubule, a series of intricate processes occur. Useful substances like glucose and some salts are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream, while waste products and excess substances are left behind in the tubule. This is what we call selective reabsorption, a fine balance of give and take that ensures our bodies retain what they need and eliminate what they don't. But the kidney's job doesn't stop there. They also adjust the body's balance of various substances. By detecting the levels of substances like potassium and calcium, the kidneys can either hang on to them if levels are low or get rid of them if there's too much. And what about that waste left behind in the tubule? It combines with extra water to form urine, which flows from the kidneys to the bladder, ready to be excreted from the body. This whole process repeats itself around 12 times an hour, every day. So the kidneys are not just static filters. They're dynamic organs, constantly adjusting and adapting to keep our bodies in balance. They're like the unsung heroes of our bodies, quietly working in the background to keep us healthy. So, the secret to the kidneys' multitasking abilities lies in their intricate internal structure. Imagine now what would happen if our kidneys stopped working properly. Kidney disease, an unfortunate reality for millions worldwide, disrupts the seamless function of these vital organs. The kidneys' role in our bodies is so fundamental that even a slight hiccup in their function can lead to a domino effect of complications. First, let's consider waste buildup. Our kidneys are our body's natural filtration system, working around the clock to remove waste and toxins. However, when kidneys are diseased, they struggle to perform this crucial task. Consequently, waste products build up in the bloodstream, leading to a condition called uremia. Symptoms of uremia can range from fatigue and weakness to loss of appetite and confusion. Next, we have electrolyte imbalances. Our kidneys maintain the balance of minerals in our bodies, including sodium, potassium, and calcium. Kidney disease can disrupt this equilibrium, leading to problems such as irregular heartbeats, weak or brittle bones, and even sudden cardiac arrest. Then there's anemia. Healthy kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which signals the bone marrow to make red blood cells. However, in kidney disease, the production of this hormone decreases, leading to fewer red blood cells to carry oxygen. This can result in anemia, a condition marked by fatigue, dizziness, and pallor. Last but not least, kidney disease can lead to bone disease. This is because our kidneys help to regulate the amount of calcium and phosphate in our bodies. When kidneys are impaired, they can't remove phosphate effectively, leading to high phosphate levels. This can, in turn, cause low levels of calcium, leading to bone disease. In summary, the health of our kidneys is integral to our overall well-being. They are not just simple filtration units, but complex organs that undertake a variety of critical tasks. Kidney diseases, hence, can have far-reaching effects on our overall health. So, how can we keep our kidneys healthy and functioning well? That's the question of the hour, and the answer is simpler than you might think. It all boils down to adopting a few key lifestyle habits that support kidney health. Firstly, let's talk about diet. A balanced, nutritious diet not only fuels your body, but also helps your kidneys function efficiently. Water is crucial too. Keeping well hydrated aids in the elimination of toxins and waste materials. Consuming fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and legumes can go a long way in keeping your kidneys in top shape. Salt, on the other hand, is something you might want to limit. Excessive salt intake can lead to high blood pressure, which is a risk factor for kidney disease. Now let's move on to exercise. Regular physical activity is good for your overall health, including your kidneys. It helps control your weight, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of developing kidney disease. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a bike ride, or a yoga session, make sure to incorporate some form of exercise into your daily routine. Next, let's discuss alcohol and smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption can cause a host of health issues, including kidney damage. Limiting your alcohol intake is a wise decision for kidney health. As for smoking, it's a habit that's best kicked to the curb. Not only does smoking increase the risk of kidney cancer, but it can also accelerate the progression of kidney disease. It's also important to monitor your blood pressure and blood sugar levels. High blood pressure and diabetes are leading causes of kidney disease. Regular checkups can help detect any anomalies early, allowing for timely intervention. In conclusion, the path to healthy kidneys is paved with mindful choices about what you eat, how much you move, and the habits you choose to adopt or avoid. Your kidneys work hard for you day in and day out, so it's only fair that you work hard for them too. So, let's do a quick recap of our kidney journey. We embarked on this journey by shining a spotlight on our kidneys, those two bean-shaped organs nestled in our lower back. Their role in our body's overall functioning is often underestimated, but as we've discovered, kidneys are the unsung heroes of our bodies. They tirelessly work to filter our blood, remove waste products, and balance electrolytes, among other pivotal functions. We then dove into the mechanics of how kidneys function, a fascinating process involving numerous steps, each critical to our health. From filtration to reabsorption, secretion to excretion, we learned how our kidneys are complex machines, working round the clock to keep us healthy. As we delved deeper, we explored the impact of kidney disease, a condition that disrupts these essential processes. It's a silent destroyer, often showing no symptoms until it's too late. We learned that kidney disease can lead to a host of health issues, from high blood pressure to anemia, and can even be life-threatening if not managed properly. But it's not all doom and gloom. We also learned that we have the power to protect our kidneys. Simple lifestyle changes can go a long way in keeping our kidneys healthy. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and staying hydrated are just some of the ways we can maintain kidney health. Remember, preventative measures are always better than cure. As we round off our kidney journey, it's important to remember that our kidneys are more than just organs. They are the gatekeepers of our body's health, tirelessly working to keep us in balance. It's on us to ensure that they continue to function optimally. Remember, your kidneys are vital organs performing a multitude of functions to keep you healthy. So never take them for granted, and always take steps to keep them in good shape.